Okay, so purpose of this video is to show you how to import data multiple files from a folder. Okay, you can actually use this for any files. You can use it for PDF, you can use it for Excel. Just put them into a folder. But when you put them into a folder, just make sure that they have the same information. Yeah, the same information. Meaning, for example, let's say if it's information with regards to customer, make sure inside that folder is only about customers. If it's about revenue which you make sure it's totally of revenue. And let's say it's because the information is with regards to how much returns you get for that particular month or day or week, etc. Make sure it's only about returns. Yes, the key point is make sure it contains similar or the same information. Okay, then to make it easier, okay, make sure to copy the path. Okay, make sure to copy the path. Let's go into Power BI. Go to Home, Get Data, More. Okay. And then select Folder. Connect. Let's say if we forgot to copy the path, just make sure to browse. Okay, and then you'll be able to find your folder. Click OK. Okay, once you get into this screen, you'll be able to see all the files you have in that particular folder. So let's say if we have 5 files, just make sure that you'll be able to see 5 rows. So suddenly if you see you have only 5 but you see 10, then maybe you need to check your folder again. Make sure to select combine and transform. Okay, don't select either combine or transform, but select combine and transform. If you select combine, it will combine and then it will go back to Power BI screen. It will not brings you into Power Query. If you select transform, that will be even worse because you need to combine them manually. So make sure to select combine and transform data. Click OK. Okay, once you are here, check the data type. Make sure data type is the right data type. Remove any column that you need to remove. Okay, do all your cleaning, transformation, etc. And don't forget to change the file name. Changing the file name will not complete until you press enter. So make sure to press enter. Okay, once you are satisfied with the outcome, close and apply. I'm going to import another file so that I'll be able to show you a bit of creating a matrix. Okay, so let's say if I create a matrix, I'll get year, put this in row, and then order quantity in values. Okay, so if you look at my matrix, there's only 2015 and 2016. Okay, if I go back to this one, okay, I move 2017 into transactions. Now there are 3 files. Okay, and then if I click refresh, earlier it was 2015 and 2016. Now you can see there is another file included, which is 2017. Yeah, so hope that helps. Okay, just let me know if you need more information.